name is Yatharth Khande. I welcome you again to my YouTube channel, Yatharth's Magic. Today we are at Pune. Pune is very well known for the rich history of the Maratha Empire. Pune also showcases the indigenous Marathi culture. Hence, it is also called as the cultural capital of Maharashtra. Today, we are here to explore one of such traditional cultural aspect of the beautiful city of Pune, the Manache Ganpati. These establishments hold importance over others during the immersion ceremony. Ganpati Bappa Moria! The first one on this elite list is the Kasba Ganpati. In the year 1630, when Jijabai Bhosle arrived in Pune with her son Shivaji Maharaj, who was only aged 12 at the time. Shivaji Maharaj was disturbed by the pathetic situation of the region. At the same time, an idol of Lord Ganesh was found near the house of Vinayak Thakur, who used to reside close to the residence of the Queen, Jijabai Bhosle. Jijabai perceived this as an auspicious moment and promptly built a temple, which is today known as the famous Sri Kasba Ganpati Temple. Young Shivaji Maharaj started building the empire of Swarajya after this auspicious moment. The idol of Kasba Ganpati is Swayambhu, and you can feel the vibrant energy here. In the premises of the temple, there are nice sculptures depicting various mythological and historical events. In 1893, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, the great freedom fighter of India, initiated the Sarvajanik Ganesh festival with the intention to bring like-minded people together to share ideas and exchange thoughts on freeing India from the British regime. Sri Kasba Ganpati Mandal celebrates the Ganpati festival every year with great devotion and enthusiasm. This year the stage was set up with the theme of Mayureshwar Temple of Morgaon, which is one of the famous Ashtavinayak Ganpati of Maharashtra. On the 10th day of Ganesh festival, the idol of Sri Kasba Ganpati Mandal is bestowed with the honor of leading the immersion procession in Pune. The immersion procession is done with great fanfare on the beats of Dol Tasha. Tamde Jogeshwari Ganpati is the second respected Ganpati of Pune. All the Manache Ganpati are located in the heart of the city and are at walkable distance from each other. Tamde Jogeshwari is the temple of goddess Durga, who is regarded as the Gram Devi of Pune city. The temple was built in the 15th century and the statue of goddess Durga is still intact. A separate pandal is put before the temple and the Ganesh idol is established with artistic decorations every year. This year, the theme is set up with beautiful Ganesh idol riding on the horse. Guruji Talim is the third respected Ganpati of Pune. It was first established in 1887 by two Hindu and Muslim families of Bhikhu Shinde and Ustad Nalban. This is the reason why Guruji Talim symbolizes Hindu-Muslim unity in Pune. The beautiful idol is nicely sitting on the Mushak Raj. This is the first mandal to celebrate their platinum jubilee. Very attractive theme with Lord Vishnu on Sheshnag is depicted at the entrance. Lord Garud and Lord Hanuman are also welcoming the devotees with folded hands. The Guruji Talim idol of Ganesha is placed nicely in front of Lord Tirupati Balaji. Tulshibagh Ganpati is the fourth respected Ganpati of Pune, located in most popular marketplace of Tulshibagh. It was first established in 1901. This mandal holds the honor of establishing the first glass fiber statue since 1975. This year, the theme of Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling is established at the Pendal. The statue is 13 feet tall and wear ornaments that weigh more than 80 kgs. Kesriwada Ganpati is the fifth respected Ganpati of Pune. Since its inception in 1894, the Kesri's Trust Ganesh Festival used to be organized at Vinjurkar Wada, which was then the ancestral home of the Tilaks. Then in 1905, it was shifted to Gaikwad Wada, presently known as Kesriwada. The Ganesh idol is nicely decorated in front of the statue of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. These five Manache Ganpati of Pune has special immersion procession which is celebrated with great enthusiasm every year. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful Manache Ganpati with me. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe on YouTube at Yatharth Magic. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.